this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Huawei P20 Pro. This is their latest flagship phone along with the regular P20 phone. The Huawei P20 Pro has the Leica triple camera system, which is the first phone with the Leica triple cam system. It has a 6.1 inch OLED display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by the Kirin 970 processor with 6 gigs of RAM compared to 4 in the regular one. It has a metal and glass design. There you can see the triple cam Leica camera system. One is 40 megapixel RGB, another is a 20 megapixel monochrome, and then an 8 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. There's a 4000 milliamp hour battery, fingerprint sensor on the front, USB-C port on the bottom, speakers, no headphone jack, power lock button, volume buttons, camera, front facing camera, and 128 gigs of internal storage, and it's running Android 8.1 with Huawei's skin on top. So inside the rest of the box, you get SIM ejector tool, USB power adapter, USB-C to Type A cable, and some earbuds, and USB-C to 3.5 adapter in the box, since the device doesn't come with a headphone jack. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Huawei P20 Pro.